Dear parents and students, we are all going through a global crisis of COVID-19. This is the time we should join hands to face unforeseen difficulties during these strange and difficult times. My dear students, Mother Teresa School is missing you a lot. We all miss you. We miss your laughter, your sweet noise in our campus. However, it is time for us to be proactive in making this lockdown period productive and enjoyable one. Dear parents, let us all respect the rules of social distance because nothing is more important than yours and your children's health and safety. Home is the best place to stay safe. And therefore, during this time, our children should continue studying from home. We have organized online classes. Our teachers have been conducting online classes on Zoom app for our school students. It is a new experience for our students as well as to our teachers. Many of the students do attend these online classes regularly, but some do have problems and difficulties as some of them do not have Android phone and some of them do not have internet connection. Therefore, some students miss our online classes. And sometimes teachers don't have internet connection. So they too fail to conduct class on the given time. The main reason to conduct these classes is that we don't want your children to waste their precious time during this lockdown period. That's why our teachers are trying their best to reach out to you and keep your children engaged in the learning process by conducting these online classes. We have planned the timetable of online classes so meticulously to help them engage in academic activity. I do know that some of you will have no Android phone, or even if you have Android phone, you may not have internet connection. But those who have Android phone and internet connection will be able to study and will not just remain idle and waste their time. So let us try our best to gain something through this period in whatever way it is possible for us. I also appeal to you to donate your spare Android mobile phone to our school if you have one, so that we can give it to the needy student of our school to study. I request all the students to keep in touch with your teachers and complete the homework that is sent on the WhatsApp group. Write questions and answers of the lessons that are taught. Use Top Scorer app to view the lesson again and again. If you haven't bought it yet, then please do buy. The school is ready to give you for a lesser price so that it will be helpful for you to study well. If you have any difficulty or problem, do feel free to approach me, talk to me, or even to our teachers. Dear parents, you have a great role to play in the life of your children, especially during this crucial time. Hence, please do encourage your children to attend our classes and study at home regularly. Your encouragement and guidance will help our students and your children to overcome this crisis successfully. So take care of yourself, your children, and be safe at home. I do assure you my prayers for all of you. May God protect you from all this sickness, and He may bless you. He may bless your children and all your dear and near ones. God bless you. Thank you.